Hi, and welcome to this cashcrate tutorial designed to teach you how you can start earning money as soon as possible using the cashcrate system. There are a lot of ways you can earn money on cashcrate, but completing cash offers is the best way to get started, and that's what this tutorial is all about. After you've logged into cashcrate, you'll see the Offers tab is already selected. All of the offers in this section are from companies that are offering to pay you for interacting with their product or service. Best of all, many of these offers are products you may already be interested in anyway. On each offer, you'll find its title, a short description of the product or service, and a payout amount, which is how much you'll earn if you choose to complete the offer. You'll notice some offers have a red $ icon. This icon indicates that a credit card is required to complete the offer. But don't be scared off. These offers have much higher payouts and almost always cover your initial investment. In this tutorial, we'll complete the Reward TV offer. Based on its description, you can see that this company will pay you 50 cents when you join and play at least 3 TV trivia games. Not only is it free, but it sounds like a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and click on the offer. You'll see it opens in a new window and takes you right to the Reward TV homepage where you can begin completing the offer. For this offer, you'd want to register on this page and then play at least 3 trivia games. It's really important that you complete each offer fully, using truthful information, otherwise you won't receive credit. Okay, let's say you've signed up and played your trivia games. The next step is to close the offer and return to the offers list on cashcrate. Under the payout amount, you'll find a Submit button. This is how you notify us that you've completed an offer. Be sure to submit an offer only after you've completed it, or you won't receive credit. I'm going to submit the Reward TV offer now. The offer disappears from our available offer list, and we receive a notice that the offer is pending. This means we're waiting for the advertiser to confirm your completion of the offer. Once they credit us, we'll automatically credit your account. This process usually takes just a few minutes, but can take up to several hours depending on the offer. To check the status of an offer at any time, just click your current balance at the top. Here, you'll find a list of all the offers you've completed, as well as offers that are still pending. And that's it. Use this process to complete as many offers as you'd like and watch the cash add up. Remember, new offers are added all the time, so be sure to check back frequently.